Do you want to know how you can log into your Zerodha Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account in your Zerodha Mutual Fund. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for Zerodha Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to login to CoinWeb, which is powered by Zerodha. So this is your Zerodha or your Zerodha Mutual Fund account. Write down your user ID in this box, your password in this box, and then click login. This way you can log into your Zerodha Mutual Fund account. So all you need to do is open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to your Google search bar, search for Zerodha Mutual Fund Login, click on the first link and it will take you to the official login portal of Zerodha. Write down your user ID, your password, click login. This way you can log into your Zerodha account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Zerodha Mutual Fund account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.